It's my mom's birthday. She loves lemon, so I'm going to make her a lemon cobbler. Doesn't that sound delicious? Super easy. Let me show you how to make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt this stick of butter in my 9x6 baking dish. You can use a 9x9. I'm just going to put this in the oven until that butter melts. While my butter is melting, I'm going to mix up the batter. So what I have here is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, and then we will need 1 cup of milk. But the recipe actually calls for buttermilk. So I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and add to my milk, and voila, we've got buttermilk. Just going to give this a mix. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just going to add it to my milk, and 1 teaspoon of a lemon extract. Okay, pouring in my milk mixture into my flour mixture. I'm just going to give this a mix. So the recipe actually calls for a 21-ounce can of lemon pie filling, which normally is in the pie filling where you have like cherry pie filling, apple pie filling, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I did find a jar of lemon curd, and actually I think that this is going to work better because lemon curd has a more pungent, strong lemon flavor, and my mom loves tart lemon. And I think this is less processed than a lemon pie filling would be. It's just a bit thicker, so I'm going to thin it with a little lemon juice. So I'm just going to dump it out into this bowl, and I'm going to squeeze the juice of half of a lemon. All right, I'm just going to mix this together. Okay, as you can see, the butter is melted, so I'm just going to pour this batter right over this butter. And then I'm going to take this lemon curd and pour it over as well. All right, so do not stir, just like this, and then place it in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Oh my goodness. And I personally like these crusty edges. Oh. I'm excited to take this to her because I know she is going to love it. If you love lemon, you're going to want to make this. I'm going to have to make another one for my husband because he loves lemon too. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.